Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door lower hinge bushing in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/16 inch nut driver, Torx 20 screwdriver, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door lower hinge bushing. The lower door hinge bushing is mounted at the bottom of the fresh food door. It functions as a bearing allowing the door to swing smoothly in both directions. The main reason why the refrigerator door lower hinge bushing would need to be replaced is if it wears out, causing the door to move loosely at the bottom hinge, preventing it from closing properly. Now I'm at the top of the fridge and I'm going to secure the door with this duct tape before we remove the hinge. So this is the hinge we need to take off, and it's attached to the body with the two 5/16 screws. So using a 5/16 nut driver, I'm going to take it out. Now I'm going to lift off the hinge. I'm going to take off the tape so we can remove the door. And leave it peeled off on the top. Alright, now we're going to swing the door open and remove it from the bottom hinge. But before we even took over the top hinge, we should empty out all the door bins. Lift it up. It could be heavy for you. Prepare. And if you need, you can get a second person. I'll help with my foot to lift it off. And then I'm going to put it on the ground. If you noticed, I'm not holding the door by the handle, just, in case we don't need to break the door handle off. All right, so here we are. All right, I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to insert it right here, and I'm going to pry out that hinge bushing out of the door. All right. This is the old refrigerator door lower hinge bushing next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new refrigerator door lower hinge bushing, I'm going to place it in and push it in all the way. All right, now I'm going to install the door back on the hinge, lift it up. And now we're facing a little task here. We need to place the bushing over the bottom hinge. I will support it with my foot, bring it closer. All right, after we put the door on, I would like to place the tape back on so it will be secured. Next, the hinge goes in. Drop it in and match the holes. And then I'm going to place two screws to secure the hinge. I'm going to use a 5/16 inch nut driver. And I'm going to drive those screws in and tighten it real good. Now I can remove the tape. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.